Now the exhaust, we haven't done that one yet on that side, but
this is my old slow poke, Mike.
can't really get in there with that.
Could go fast, but it's gonna go slow. It's gonna putz along.
Gonna be a fast, slow rider.
Yeah, low ride, slow ride.
Okay, and the same thing on the back side of this one. Here it kind of digs in a little bit.
Yep.
Now the reason I'll make that a big radius back there is because the airflow doesn't turn. It's not going to follow a sharp edge like this radius on this cutter.
Yep.
It will never follow that air. It'll go, bounce off, turbulate, and go that way. So it doesn't really matter if it's a sharp edge or a dull edge. It's just if it's got a little bit of radius on the end of it, like what this fin is, at least it won't turbulate off that tip as much. It'll kind of fold around a little bit further before it starts turbulating.
Yeah.
So that's all you can do. Ports are not anywhere near high enough to make it nice. So pretty much work with what you got to work with. Okay. So after you're done screwing all that, now we left off over here someplace. I'm going to come back and touch this area right here. Remember that pull-in area we kind of glossed over here?
Right.
Right here. See from this angle you feel it. Well, just put your finger, so it doesn't feel as bad from this angle as it did the other way.
Right.
Because you're feeling a different pattern of the grit.
Yeah.
More than anything. Now this one's real dull, so I'm just going to use this to kind of blend it. Kind of like throwing a sanding roll in there almost. But I don't like sanding, so I'm not going to. Okay, so I just took off. They just kind of dulled out the grit, so it's still pretty smooth, but slightly smoother than it was. Over here, same thing on this side. So we didn't do as much over here, so.
Damn it, I keep hitting that.
What are you doing over there? What have you been eating?
Cheese.
I don't know about that being cheese, but okay, if you say so. Well, somebody like barking spiders too. I think we had 3 of them up there. Okay, I just cut that little ridge off that was right there.
Yep.
A little light blending. It's really hard to do. Really hard to do. Most of that out. There's still a little bit of a bad area in there.
Where you go? Make a decision. Let me get around. Once again.
Yeah, it just has a spot I don't really like in there, but it's hard to get to. One of those areas you can make it a lot worse real quick.
Yeah.
Alright. Quit screwing with that one.
Good enough. That's it?
Good enough for you?
Yep.
You sure?
I don't know. You always seem to come up with some other reason to do something else.
I'm good for making more projects.
Yeah.
Where's the other head at?
The head's right here. Is this Alan's project here?
Yep.
The Alan Parsons project?
Frame is straight. Except for the back.
Oh, it's the Alan Parsons project.
Alan Parsons is. Something Fred likes, or whatever it is.
Well, it's a reference to a band, but also a joke on.
Fred's a joke?
Hey, don't cross them damn threads. What are you doing? He destroyed the threads on one head a couple weeks.
They're already fucked up.
Oh, sorry. Finished destroying them.
I finished them all. Okay. I don't like how you finished this one last time. Too much casting left.
Yeah, we didn't do a lot with that one because you had put the new spigot on.
So now we got a trough that goes through there. So.
That's
See that trough I just cut through there?
Yeah.
So the air goes in, it's got a place to go to now. Now this has a lot taller short side radius to it than that other head.
A lot taller, short side radius.
Yep.
Okay.
You're cutting aluminum out. The angle I want to get at. Seems a little bit too big though. Get in trouble with that one.
You could.
See how it's dragging on this side and
Yeah.
dragging on that side? Sometimes there's just areas you can't get to.
I had a Rolls about the same year as your Cadillac for sale at Del Mar. So maybe I should get a Rolly and.
So we're going to go up to Rolls instead of a Cadillac pickup truck?
I'll roll up in a Rolly and park in front of it, right in the barrier with the Rolly.
I use it as a pickup truck, as you know.
Yeah. Well, I got plenty of space in the back of it.
Yeah, they have a lot of trunk space. Okay, see we're knocking out that choke point down in there?
Oh yeah, look at that.
It's a little shiny in there now.
Looks good. Oh, shiny.
Yeah, Rock, grab my toe.
All right.
dark for you. I can't see anyway. Doesn't matter. I'm just blending. I'm doing a feel thing.
Yeah.
Sure can't see in there.
But the watchers want to know. What do you do?
Can't get to it from the other side, so you only got one angle of attack.
Mm.
So you can see this side better. See that sharp edge right here, all the way up to the very top?
Yep.
That's why I'm cutting them from the other angle, because I can't get to it. That's too much sharp area. I need to blend that out a little bit.
Thumb's starting to go numb from holding the camera.
Uh-oh. See the difference in there now?
Yep, I can feel it.
A little radius in there. Blew it back a little bit. It's limited what you can do in there. It feels more even all the way around now.
Yeah.
You want to get your pinky in there, feel it. It feels even all the way around now.
Yep. Like a little bit of a radius and getting it out of there. Lower it out of that supersized exhaust manifold or exhaust
Port.
flange port. Getting ready to knock all those buildings down that we got that searchlight out of.
Good.
Oh,
Get the bay front down. Get all that military crap out of there.
hey.
So they've been there since World War II.
Yeah. Before World War II, but yeah. Really good in World War II.
All right, so there's.
Well, that wasn't
First
at home.
thing.
I worked on it pretty hard the last time.
You didn't
so.
screw up the seat yet, did you?
I was very careful, almost too careful not to screw up. That was the one I did. I didn't touch the seat.
This one here's the one you screwed up?
No, I didn't touch the seat. No, I didn't touch the seat.
You got a seat mark? Still got a line all the way around?
Good.
You didn't do it?
I made sure. I purposely, you were like, oh, I need to cut more out of here. Yeah, because I didn't get anywhere near the seat.
You didn't want to cut the seat out?
I didn't want to touch the seat.
Okay, he'll call on that one.
It works.